Upgraded to a brand new PC, but now you're spending days reinstalling all your apps, finding old passwords, setting up Chrome again, and praying nothing gets lost? What if I told you there's a tool that moves everything? Files, programs, settings, even Microsoft Office activation in just 30-60 minutes. And right now, it's only $29 for lifetime access plus free upgrades. Hey everyone, it's SaaS Tool Insider. Today, I'm reviewing EaseUS Todo PCTrans Pro from the StackSocial deal. Stick around because this might save you hours and headaches. Here's the real pain most of us face. New laptop or Windows 11 upgrade. Transferring from old PC that's dying, manually reinstall 20 plus apps like Chrome, Spotify, Zoom, Office, find product keys, relog in everywhere, lose bookmarks, desktop layout. It takes 1 to 3 full days, and there's always that fear of data loss if the old PC crashes completely. I've been there. It's exhausting. That's where EaseUS Todo PCTrans Pro comes in. It's a simple, powerful PC migration tool from EaseUS, a trusted name in data recovery and backup. Top features that actually work. PC to PC transfer. Connect 2 computers, best with Ethernet cable for super speed, and move unlimited files, installed programs, user accounts, settings, passwords, everything. App plus settings migration, Chrome bookmarks, passwords, Office activation, desktop icons. Most things transfer automatically and work right away. Local disk app move C drive full. Move heavy programs like games or Adobe to D drive without reinstalling. Data rescue mode. Old PC won't boot. Connect its hard drive and rescue files, programs, accounts from the dead machine. Backup and clean, full PC backup plus remove junk files to free space. Supports Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, even older ones like XP. It's not magic. Some rare apps might need a quick reactivation, but for 90% of everyday software, it's a game changer. Now the best part, the deal. Official price is $69 for the lifetime license with upgrades, but on StackSocial right now, just $29. That's 57% off. StackSocial is super reputable. Thousands of sales, and this deal is selling fast. 500 plus already sold. This price won't last forever. Deals like this disappear or jump back up. Let me show you how easy it is. I tested it myself. First, download and install on both PCs. Free trial available, but Pro unlocks full features. Second, choose PC to PC mode. Connect with cable, fastest, or Wi-Fi. Third, select what to transfer. Apps, files, accounts. Tick what you want. Fourth, hit start. Watch it move everything automatically. See? Microsoft Word opens with all my settings. Chrome loads my passwords. No extra login. For dead PC rescue, connect the old drive, scan, recover what you need. Super useful. Honest pros and cons. Pros. Saves massive time. Hours instead of days. Very user-friendly. Step-by-step guide. Works great for most common apps. Cons. Being real. Cable transfer is fastest. Wi-Fi can be slower. Overall, for the price, it's a no-brainer if you're upgrading PCs soon. If you're planning a PC switch in the next few months, grab this now at $29 before the deal ends. Link is in the description. Click it to check the StackSocial deal, but right now it's already $29 lifetime. Comment below, have you ever struggled with PC transfer or used EaseUS before? If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more software deals and reviews, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Go save yourself some time. See you in the next one.